boogie down. Give a little bump, fist, turn around. Let's try again. Hello, neighbor. What do you say? It's going to be a happy day. So probably one of the best things we can do is try not to get those germs on our hands. When we're around sick people, we'll wash our hands more often. If you are sick, that's when you will use a tissue and throw that tissue away. Do you think your teacher likes to come around and pick up your tissue after you, or your mom does, after you use it? No. No. So we'll throw those away. If you'll look at the tables, you have some fun things set at the tables, and you're going to get to do them all. At this table right over here, you are going to get to make your own reminder to cover your mouth when you talk or sneeze.
What's the hand?
Yeah, there you go.
Hey,
What color do you want your picture?
would you like a piece of paper?
White.
All right. Now, look at your hands. Look at your hands. Yes. Okay. Now, let's rub them together. Keep rubbing. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Look what you did. That was awesome. And you know what? You can put it down. You can do a handprint or two if you like. Right here.
Oh, it is
that is
really
beautiful.
green.